Good morning, everyone. Yeah, this is Olara on Crypto. I'm here to show you how to mine on Remitano. How to mine on Remitano. So look at it. Look at it. When you just meet yourself here, this is the home. When you just meet yourself here, you either click here. Look at this discover, this down button. You can either click on discover, or let me go back again, or you click on this person, this person logo. You can click on this person logo. This show that your this one. You can click there and click in RENEC. In RENEC, you click in RENEC. When you click in RENEC, then next thing to do is to click on this. I'm already mining, and it remains almost 3 hours to stop. So after, when you meet yourself here, just click here. You will see it saying start mining. Then this place, you will see a reminder where you have, maybe you have that line that they haven't start mining. You can remind them to start their mining machine now. Or maybe you want to do group mining. Click on this group mining beside this group mining. Click on this beside solo mining. Click on this group mining. When you click on this group mining, then you click on join any group mining, and also you can also create your mining group. So that is how you can mine on this Remitano. That is how you can mine. It's very, very easy. Or maybe you don't understand how to mine. When you are on, after you click on my Remitano, scroll down from here, scroll down, then you can watch the video or read how to mine. Look at it, how to mine RENEC. You can simply read this or watch the video on how to mine RENEC from this platform. Just click on this watch tutorial on how to mine RENEC, then it will direct you on how to mine RENEC. My brother, my sister, let me show you the company that's back on this RENEC. That means that when this RENEC launch, you can spend your money online with all these big and biggest online shopping platform. Look at it. Look at them. Look at the company that back them. Look at the company. You can spend your money on this Remitano launch. That is why I say in cryptocurrency, don't think maybe people already make money in cryptocurrency and you are still fresh. If you just join now, you are still fresh. You are fresh. You can still make a lot of money unless you don't serious about it. Look at it. When I click next, look at it. It brings another people. Okay, it's like, okay, let me go back. So a lot of company that they are ready to accept your coin on the Remitano launch. That is why you don't have to joke with this platform. Look at it. I'm still throwing, look at it. There are many. Look at it. Look at this O2 mobile. Maybe this one they are doing. Look at it. There are many of them. There are plenty. Where you can spend your money. Look at it. Another company. Look at another company. You can see it. They have plenty company that you are, when they start, you are going to spend your money with them, and you collect your, maybe wherever they are doing, maybe they are traveling, this thing, you can use that RENEC to travel, maybe all around the world. You can see a lot of company that they are going to back this platform, this RENEC coin. Look at what I'm saying. This one airline, you know that this one they are doing maybe plane. If you want to travel with plane, you can use this one. You can pay with RENEC, then they are approve your your payment. That is why you do not joke with this Remitano. You must not joke with this Remitano. Look at it, a lot. When I start explaining the way to see, if you want to mine, some people come to my DM and ask me how to mine. It is very, very easy. Look at it. You can click on this. Let me use. I've already used this person. So let me use discover. You can see when you just click on discover. When you just click on discover, when you want to mine. When you just click on discover, then it will take you to where you can mine. Just click here. Okay, this one is group mining. You can see the group mining. So you can, maybe you meet yourself here. Just click on this solo mining to mine. This one is you alone, that is mine. When you click on group mining, if you mine with people, it is group mining, you mine with people. But solo mining, this is what you mine by yourself. So that is how you can mine. Don't joke with this platform. Many people just open this platform and leave it. They don't even mine. Look at what I have. I have 19 people under me and only 2 persons are mining. They don't know the importance of this Remitano. And this Remitano, I've already traded with them. They pay me. They are more. Look at it. I'm still having some money. So I've traded with them. So many times, and they deliver. I've traded with them. So don't even bother yourself. Maybe they are going to deliver. You can trade with them. They will pay. When you just sell your coin, you can sell your coin to them. You can buy coin from this platform. Yes, you can buy coin from this platform. As at now, you can buy coin, which you can sell. You can buy it. So don't joke with this Remitano. Don't joke with it. You can, maybe you have coin, you want to swap coin, you can just send it to this place. Then you can swap it. Then maybe you want to sell it, you want to collect naira. Then look at it. Look at the tune. If I want to, maybe I have tune, want to sell it, you can just copy. Let me copy. You can just click here. This is tune. Okay, let me look for tune so that I will teach you how to even swap on this platform. You can just click here. When you click here, then you now copy the address. When you copy the address, just go to wherever you have your coin, your tone coin, make deposit to that wallet address. Then after you make deposit, you wait like 5 minutes. After 5 minutes, you see your coin here. So when you see your coin here, just click on swap. When you click on swap, then you will see your tone here. Just click on this mask to. I don't have tone. So if it as me I have tone now, it will list all the tone. Then you change this to naira. I've already changed it to naira. Maybe you want to collect your cash. You can simply change it to naira. Then you click on swap. After you swap, then you now go and withdraw your naira coin. It is very, very easy. You now go and after you send it to naira, you change it to naira, or maybe you need another coin. You can change it to any other coin you like. Then you now withdraw. Or maybe you need cash. You change it to naira already. Then you now come back to wallet here. When you come back to wallet here, you will now click on withdraw. You click if it is your naira. If it is your naira you want to withdraw, just click on withdraw here. Then they will direct you to how to put your. You can see it. Look at it. This is naira, right? This is naira. You can just click on this withdraw. Then it will take you to where you can put your bank details. After you put your bank details, then you now click on everything you need. They will direct you. Just follow what they ask you to do. Then I've traded with them so many times, and they deliver. So please don't joke with this platform. I'm going to put the link on how to register. The link you can use to register on this platform, and put it on the description under this video. So go and watch. After you watch it, then click on that link to register on this Remitano and make sure we don't joke with this platform. That is what I want to tell everyone today. Look at it. Look at thank God. Thank God. Look at all the trade I've traded with them. Look at it. Look at it. Look, I've traded with them so many times. Trade with them so many. Look at my trade. You can see my trade. You can see my trade. I've traded with them so many times and they deliver. Even when I trade with them, it's like 5 minutes. They pay the money into my account. So it is very, very safe to trade with them. And the important thing is to get their free coin. Don't joke with any airdrop, please and please. So my name is Olaramo Crypto. Make sure you use my link to register on Remitano and start mining. Thank you everyone. Bye for now.